Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Jamaica Customs Agency, JCA, is being advised on how to regulate the emerging medical ganja industry. The advice coming from Global Border Protection Agency, SICPA, which made a presentation at the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce breakfast discussion this morning. Vice President for Business Development in the organization, Alex Spellman, stressed that while regulations are important, there must be some sort of balance.
Regulation, there's a place for it and there's a conformance that has to be there, but there's also the question of what's the burden of that regulation, what's the appropriate balance of the agencies getting what they need to effectively fulfill their roles. And once you have that, are there benefits that can accrue from being part of that regulatory program that you can then take advantage of?
In the meantime, Mr. Spellman also proposed ways to deal with those who refuse to be regulated.
They're sending out, letters to the, recognized, using GIS maps. Actually, they're finding essentially characteristics of property elements that would indicate growing activity, for example, and sending letters saying we've noticed that we believe you have unregulated activity going on. Please come in and either register for a license. Or shut that down immediately, and if you don't, you'll be in violation of certain environmental quality laws, and we have the right to fine you on a per-day basis for that ongoing activity.
In currency trading, the greenback is now selling for $128.89. The Canadian dollar costs $96.28. The pound closed the day at $161.34, while the euro is going for $146.67. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in January went down by $3.24 to settle at $46.23 a barrel. The JSE index lost 983 points today, while the junior market index is up by 43 points. Among the winners today, Barita Investments, Caribbean Cream, Elite Diagnostics, Fosrich, Grace Kennedy, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, and Kingston Wharves. On the losing side were 1834 Investments, Access Financial Services, Berger Paints, Carib Cement, Derrimon Trading, Lasco Distributors, Mayberry Investments, and Paramount Trading. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.